Hello and welcome to Sonic Sorcery for another tutorial video. I'm Stefan Key, your Sonic Sorcerer, and in this video I have something super exciting for you, a new template. And what's most exciting about it is that it's a template that somebody else did. Casey, one of our mages of the Academy for Sonic Sorcery, he was inspired by my Deep Shamanic Sound Journeys template to create his own template for his use in his Cacao ceremonies. And before we dive into the template, let's have a look at the website because it looks really beautiful and it deserves attention. And then we can also get a deeper look. So the template is called Sounds of Palenque, an Ableton template for Cacao ceremonies, shamanic sound journeys, and medicine music. The magical and mystical sounds of the Mexican jungle and the ancient Maya come to life in this stunning template for Ableton Live. And I can tell you, this is not a lie. It's really powerful, it's really mystical, it's really magical, enchanting, and you really feel the vibe of the pyramids and the sacred site of Palenque, and you will hear that in a second. So Casey says, create your own sound journeys with this template for Ableton. The template comes with over 100 loops, samples, and field recordings to capture Palenque, which is in Mexico, is mystical sounds and magical jungle vibes. The template was created with the intention of helping you create music for cacao ceremonies, shamanic sound journeys, and medicine music. Using organic sounds and instruments and field recordings from the jungles and ancient pyramid sites of Palenque, this template brings the magic and mysticism of the ancient Maya to life. And then you can purchase it here. I also have an affiliate link if you want to help out the channel. There's a link in the description. So before we get into it, let's just have a look what we have here. We have nature sounds, drones and pads, shamanic drumming, instrument loops, and rhythmic textures, organic percussions, all that for just 33 USD, which is a steal, I think, because it's really unique sounds that he captured in Palenque. And yeah, you can also read why he chose Palenque. Basically, Casey is very enthusiastic about cacao and his ancient roots, and also the Mayan connection with it. And he's living in Mexico close to Palenque, and he's really diving deep into it. He also leads cacao ceremonies, and he wanted to create his own template for his cacao ceremonies. And then we both refined it a little bit, and now it is ready to be shared with the world. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the idea is we will have a look at the template together, and I will create like a sound journey from scratch here with the template to show you a little bit what's possible and how I would use it. And as you can see, those are the different groups, and we can open them. And then you see he has the elements, and he has some drones and pads and drums. And as you know me, I'm always starting with nature sounds in my sound journeys to give me a little feeling. So let's see what we have here. For me, it's still pretty much the morning. Sunny outside right now. If I look out of my window, I see the jungle, sunny. So maybe we can find something that's matching that. Maybe waking up. Let's have a listen to this. Okay. Calm morning in the jungle. So those are the field recordings. Oh yeah, that's nice. Those are the field recordings that he made at the sacred sites in Palenque. So maybe this, and then some water maybe. And you will notice right away as I start playing other sounds, you know, the big difference between the templates that I did and Casey's template is that it's a lot darker, right? Like my templates are mostly like super light and gentle and fairy like and more feminine. And that's because that's the vibe that I receive here in Costa Rica. But then in Palenque, it's a lot more dark and mystical, and yeah, a different vibe. Like the Mayan energy is a pretty strong energy, and you can feel that in the templates. So now we have that nature sounds going. Let's have a listen to the drones. The next step is for me finding a drone. Then I would look for a pad and then maybe some instruments and then some drums. So let's listen to the drones here. Right away you can already feel the depth. Let's increase the volume a little bit. Super nice drone. Let's listen to another one. Ooh, yeah. Amazing. Gentle darkness. Wow. Yeah, I think I feel that one pretty strongly. Let's just have a listen to some more. That one as well. And I really like how he's giving us those associations, like those affirmations with the titles of the clips. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's some deep shit. Maybe a little bit too deep and dark for me at the moment. Although I love all of those atmospheres a lot. Yeah. You know, just by listening to the drones, you can tell that you can go really deep with that template. So let's check another one. Nirvana. Nice. Mysterious world. Indeed. Forest rain can be really intense. If you live in Costa Rica in the rainy season, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, that's gentle. Primeval forest. Yeah, maybe I go with this one. That's really nice and gentle. Okay. Let's keep going. So for now, the gentle darkness and the primeval forest are my favorites so far. Harmonic wind. Yeah, if you want it to be a little bit more stormy and movement. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, you know, like with those things you can go down into the underworld. Descending drone. That's nice as well. So maybe I just make some little markers here so that I know which one I might end up choosing. Dark Sanctuary. Yeah. So you can really feel like the emotions, right, that Casey must have had when, or like that he has when he's going there regularly. You really feel this ancient mystical energy and the Mayan culture. For me, those are like super strong Mayan codes. Some DNA memory being triggered. Mystical silence, okay. Temple silence. Yeah, this on its own is already super powerful, you know, just just the drones and some nature sounds, and if you close your eyes you're right away in the Mexican jungle among those sacred mystic Mayan signs. Yeah, okay, let's check the primal forest again. Primeval. Yeah, let's go with this one for now and continue. Listen to more pets. Jungle sunset. Alright. I'm not ready for sunset yet. I'm still like in the day mood. Yeah, and the magic continues, right? Super beautiful spirit echoes. Ooh, yes. I resonate with that one. Amazing. Super mystical, so let's give this one a color here as a selection. Voice of the night. Wow. Luna whispers. Nice. Super subtle, but super beautiful. This one gets into the selection. Yeah, not so nice. Spirits of light. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I think that's the one. And I'm not spoiling these, so let's keep going. Let's find some loops for the drums. Wow. Powerful. The water pumpkin, also known as the calabash, one of my favorite percussion instruments. Okay, and then we have a bandier, kind of a frame drum. Nice. You know, and if you look at the channels, you can already see, like, you know, from my templates as well, we already processed it, so we have some compression and some EQing so that it sounds ready to go right away, especially if you're just starting out and you don't know much about EQing and mixing. You don't need to worry about that. It's all mixed to work really well together, so you can just focus on jamming and flowing. Nice. Wow. Ooh. Super nice. Heartbeat. Wow, that's definitely feel it for this journey. Let's listen here. Super powerful shamanic drumming. Nice as well. More gentle, like this one. Follow this journey. Square drum together with a water pumpkin. And now we get to a powerful beat. I know this one already. Whoa. Also really nice. Wow. Yeah, they're all super nice and powerful. Huh, that's a difficult choice. I think I go with the heartbeat for now. So let's check out the bass lines here. I don't think... yeah, that is a growl bass. Let's see, sometimes it's a bit difficult to have the bass and the drone at the same time because they share the same frequency spectrum. This is more like a string pitch down guitar kind of bass line, really nice. And this one sounds like it has a beat in it. Yeah, nice. This is a candidate. Whoa. It's like a deep, like beatbox kind of sub bass. Ooh, nice. Yeah, here we go. That's the one for this context, for this journey. Super nice. Woohoo! I feel it. Okay, and now with something super cool. This is like a flute meditation generative experience. So we set it up in a way with follow actions that it just keeps playing. So look what happens if I click play here. This is why those play markers look different than these ones. You know what happens if I play this one? It starts with this one, and then it plays another random clip. So now it's going back to the first one. Now it's going back to the other one. Okay, so what is happening after this one? Same one again. It's interesting, now they just go back between one and the other. And you can stop it at any time, right? Because of the reverb that's on there. Sorry, here. You have this echo and the large shimmer, so this is a delay and this is a reverb. You can just play it. And then stop it, and then play another one. Or you just keep going. So what I can do right away now is just I insert an audio track here, and I want to record what's coming from here. So in the audio from, I go to the meditative flute. Right, I hit record here, and now the whole sequence is going to be recorded. So it's like a organic flute performance in a way. And the way it's set up is the follow action, right? So if you play one, it's going to play any loop after this one. I can play the same one again, but if you set it to any other, right? So let's say we select them all with shift click, so now they're all selected. 4 clips you can see. And if I go to other, means it will play another one. So now it should never play the same one. So let's delete this again and let's start playing and let's see what happens. Alright, so now it's playing the second one. It's going back to the first one. Right, and after the first one, it's playing the fourth one. So now you have no repetitions in the clips. Okay, and let's make a little pause here. It's still recording, and now we record a second flute phrase. It's all being recorded here. And I will stop at 16 bars. So now I have this as a loop. If I stop here, I can set the loop here like this, and then we have the flutes playing. So I can later use that in the arrangement already. But then we also have other wind instruments here, which sounds really beautiful, like the ney. Wow, wonderful. This is kind of like more oriental and mystical, right? Which is also amazing. And at the same time, for this journey now, I feel this more. Maybe with this together, let's see. Yeah, maybe not at the same time. They're kind of overlapping, but they can go back and forth. Or I can use them both on different times. Okay, and let's listen to the strings here. I think this is a very unique string instrument that is like traditional to Mexico, or like a Mayan instrument. I think there's some information to that on the website. Beautiful. See how that goes with the flute. Okay, that's a little bit clashing, or like fighting for attention, both instruments. So maybe play them on their own and not together. Yeah, let's just use the first one. Alright, and then we're almost at the end of this awesome template. Now we have some rhythmical textures. Oh yeah, and then we have this meditation sounds. So this is inviting us to get a little weird. And I like this one in particular. So let's use this one. Yeah, that's also nice and weird. Okay, yeah, let's alternate between the two. I like that. And then let's check the rhythmic vocals here. Nice. So you have like this trance-like chants. Super nice. Wow, wow. Trippy. Okay. Some rhythmic textures. Yeah. Wow. Man, I can just jam on forever with this. So let's find some percussions and then we have all the stuff we need. Some of you might be familiar with those sounds. Yeah, I like the tribal wood. Okay, and those are some effect sounds. Huh, alright, wow. Okay, I'm in love already, so let's make an arrangement of it. So I will hit record now and I will go into the arrangement view. And it's fine, I can stop it now because the idea is I can highlight here and then drag it all over here. Wait a sec. Oh, what happened here? Why is it not going further than that? That is super weird. Okay. Anyway, now I have all the elements here that I need. So, you know, all that stuff, all the percussions and things can come in later. So I will put them over here. Same for the rain stick. And the percussion flutes can maybe start around here. So I'm already thinking about, you know, the arrangement. So for now, I just put everything that I don't want to have at the beginning over here. Okay, we have the heartbeat and the big bass, so that can come already like a little earlier. Maybe not that early, maybe around here as well. That's the pad that can come in after 8 bars. That's the drone that I want that from the beginning. Okay, so now we can start. I hope I can, yeah, now I can extend it. Weird. Let's just extend that. Yeah, maybe all the way. It's yeah, not like 15 minutes, but I don't know, maybe. Let's say we make it like 8 minutes or like 9 minutes or something. Okay, and the drone. All right, so let's have a listen from the beginning. Maybe we want to create some fades. Oh no, it's actually nice like that. So we're starting. Maybe the heartbeat can come in here already. If you want, we can bring in the rain stick here already as an opening. Nice, like it a lot. The big bass can come in here after 16 bars. Okay, something we're missing here now are the meditation flutes. So let's get these. Channel 19. And maybe make a cut here and bring that in later. So let's extend that and that. Nice. Okay, and maybe the other percussion flute can come in there. Nice. I like how it plays together with the rhythmic ritual. Oh, the flute comes a little later here. This can keep going. Okay, let's do that one later here. So after 64 bars, which is 2 times 32. So we just keep this a little going a little longer the way it was. Also this one. And then here we kind of have the shift or the break We can maybe bring the pad back in. Maybe also taking out the bass and the heartbeat. Just take out the beat, I leave the bass in because it's so nice and warm. Let's see what we have here. Maybe to make a transition sound. Maybe we can use this as the transition sound to transition into the break here. And we can do a reverse as well. Maybe let's try if we flip that. Here. So we have a shaker going in and a shaker going out. So let's see how that goes. Maybe we can add some delay to that one. So there's a delay here. I can maybe just automate that. So now I'm automating the sends. Just adding some delay. Maybe let's do like this. Yeah, nice. You know, like the delay makes it a little bit more organic and moving, so it's not just like dropping. And this makes the transition a little smoother again. Yeah, let's actually not make it too long. Let's make it not 9 minutes, just make it 6 minutes because it's already like a 40-minute video and I don't want to. Also, I have a class coming up in 30 minutes and I need to eat something. So let's just finish the journey here. Maybe go into another drone. Or maybe not. Which pad did we have? Spirits of Light. Okay, so let's check Spirit Echoes. No, the vibe is too different. Let's just leave it here. let's take another rain stick. Okay, it's definitely not the most elegant way to end it. Okay, so let's see if we use fade to gray, we could definitely achieve some nice transitions. I mean, this is now just because of the time, I just put it on the master. It's definitely a way how you can do it, but it's definitely not the most exciting way. So I just go here to the audio effect rack and I go to knob 1, fade to gray, and that's a beautiful transition effect. And if you have it on the master and you automate it, you can just have the whole thing. So you choose fade to gray and you choose the fade parameter and make sure that automation is enabled, and then you can just go like have it like within 1 minute, or not even 1 minute, just have it going up, fading it out until maybe, I don't know, 60%, and let's listen what it does. See, now it's fading out. Right, so it creates like a delay that's increasing, and it's an EQ that is taking out frequencies. Right, and we have this a lot more working transition. As I said, it's not ideal, but given the time, you know, you can of course like really obsess about it and make it on all, and I would suggest you do that, like you make the fades on all the elements and you find a nice way out. But yeah, just given the time, we have to stop here. So yeah, that was my first look at this super awesome template, the sounds of Palenque. I hope you got as much as inspired as I am, and if you like want to do Cacao ceremony sound journeys or meditation music, medicine music, or shamanic sound journeys for breath work or whatever, like this is definitely the template to use. And I'm pretty sure like you heard the sounds and you felt it, and yeah, so if you want to get this template, there will be a link in the description, an affiliate link, and this helps out the channel. And thank you so much if you use that and purchase that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Many blessings from the jungle of Costa Rica. Bye bye. So if you want to learn how to create your own Ableton templates like the one that we just saw that Casey did, you might want to join our Academy for Sonic Sorcery. It's a monthly membership with 2 different tiers. The main difference being that at the mage level, you also get one-on-one online teaching with me, 1 hour per month. And the Adapt allows you to join our Discord and join our weekly meetings. In the Discord, we talk about all kind of things that are related to creating magical music, like field recording. We talk about plugins, and we give mixing and production tips. and we share other tutorials, we give each other feedback, and in general it's just a beautiful community. And each Wednesday we meet and we have like a Q&A where we share where we are at our production journey and if we have any questions that come up. And yeah, it's just a beautiful, loving community of kindred spirits, and a good place to hang out and chat, but also to get inspired and co-create beautiful magic like the template that you just saw. So if that's something you're interested, there'll be a link below as well, and we are happy to welcome you in the Academy. Bye bye.